Welcome to Simply Logical, this is Venkatesh. Here is one more interesting riddle that is trending in the social media. The riddle is typically worded in one of several very simple ways. The person asking may simply post a status on social media that just reads state without an A or state without the letter A, or all you need to do is find state without an A. Alternative versions may ask for a state without the letter E. Typically, the riddle is worded in a way that sounds less than grammatically correct, and there is a reason for this. Feel free to pause the video and try yourself before checking the solution. Let everyone know your answer in the comment section. Here is the answer to the riddle. The answer to the state without an A riddle is STTE. The answer to the state without an E riddle is STAT. The riddle is asking the responder to simply spell the initial word state without an A in the word. That's why it worded a little oddly. If they said name is state without the letter A, then there might be more reason to argue for a different answer. The alternative state without an E riddle is exactly the same, just using E instead of A. The rest of the video focuses on the A version, but the same applies for the E riddle. A lot of people can be seen sharing this riddle, which seems easy at first, but can be head scratching because the answer is not simple. The state without an A is a tricky riddle, but once you understand the trick, it's like a cakewalk. If you answered with any number of states that don't have A in their name, don't feel bad. You might have responded New York, New Jersey for example, and you might be responded with some state which does not have the letter A in whichever the country you are staying. And some might argue that those answers are perfectly valid too. You could even try to outthink the question and answered solid or liquid, as those are states of matter without an A, unlike gas. The trick is that they are not asking the name of a state, but rather just for state without an A. In truth, it's a bit of confusing riddle no matter how it's worded, so you can't really be blamed if you got the answer wrong. A similar riddle is also making the rounds that works from the same concept as the state riddle. This riddle asks for fruit without an I. Once again, it's worded in a funny way that makes you think the person was using poor grammar. And it might lead to answer like banana or apple, but the correct answer to this riddle is simply FRUT. Just like the correct answer to the state without an A is STTE. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.